Hey, little doggy.
Hey, little doggy.
Hi, hi, hi.
Buckaroos?
Nope. He is gone. Okay.
You know what's not? The view. Welcome to the beachside B52. This is no aircraft, folks. This is a lovely villa. To my right here, we got an infinity pool that leads right out into that gorgeous view you saw behind me. And we'll be making a short little loop here. Let's head on down. This used to be a poppin' place, unfortunately due to the pandemic. As with many businesses, things have closed down a little bit, but that hasn't prevented them from continuing to operate the rest of this villa, which is amazing. And because it's been so quiet, it's basically like we have our own private place. So, you'll step on down these stairs, you see that we have easy access to the ocean. Woohoo! Water's warm. Warmer than the pool. Oh, saltier than the pool. It's really nice out here though. This it's fucking cool. On the other side, I think those are the islands we actually came from. Koh Samui. So here in Koh Phangan, things are a little smaller here. Definitely got smaller island vibes. Make sure you don't litter, folks. Nothing like a sandy towel. So here we rented out 3 rooms, and we'll start it off with Mama and Papa's room. That's gonna be the beachside villa, and let's hope that your wife is not in her usual spot when I always enter, aka the restroom. Oh, never mind, she's there. Hello, Mama.
Hello, son.
You have a lovely hammock over here. Nice for relaxing and lounging while we're chilling out here. And a swing right behind you as well. Stepping on in. I'm not gonna go inside because I got very sandy feet right now. But this is the master villa. I'll let Steven, our cameraman, take it away from here.
All right, thank you, Daryl, for that introduction. So welcome everybody. As you can see, we have our beachfront villa over here. It's pretty simple. It's really just this room and this king size bed. So bed's over here, and right in the center, we have this little sofa bed, couch type of thing. It's nice to just chill and relax here. If you're watching TV, perfect to cuddle with somebody as well. Aside from that, there's this little nook with the table and complimentary coffee cups and water boiler. Down below, you'll see you have a safe, which for some reason, these Asian countries, I don't think they have working safes because this is broken. There's no way to use this, but whatever. And then, of course, on the bottom right, there is a refrigerator. And then stepping over here, simply we just have the bathroom. But coming into the bathroom, you'll see that it has this interesting stony looking rustic decor. Shower is over here. You can, which is perfect because then we go swimming a lot in the pool and we want to rinse off real quickly. If you wanted to, you can take a seat here and shower too, I guess. Honestly, I have no idea. But here is the sink with the mirror, and then behind you is the toilet. And of course, over to the left is this closet to put some stuff here. Maybe it's not a closet, more like a storage. But yeah, that's a quick tour of this beachfront villa. So I'm gonna disappear here and catch another one.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to the public shower. Care to join? Steven? Oh, to Steven, not the public.